the spirit. Crossing the finish line. They can crawl. You can do whatever, but just cross the finish line. At what spirit? Sportsmanship to the highest order. And now,
oh, this is lovely.
Wonderful.
This is what sports should be all about. This is what sports should be all about. Trying to be your.
Keep Kemoy.
Oh, that's the civil Cheprot, I think.
Keep Kemoy.
That's Cheprot carrying him.
Now the medics should just go, of course, and help our
Did you please?
Greetings and salutations. Nginibingelele kuyeyeye show. Angihambi ngedwa ke namhlanje. Ngihamba neqhawe la umfowethu. Umsholozi uZuma. Insizwa umakhelwane wami lena ngithe ngiyibize namhlanje sike sihlale nayo la. Siye sithi ukubhunga nje impela ngoba hayi ike yangichallenge lensizwa lena. Ngikhuluma nayo nje kumanje uJanuary. Namhlanje mhla ka 8, you know. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona lento enokwenzeka eli noma qala unyaka ukuthi sibe nezifiso ezithile ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga nje kuseni ngithi ngiqalela usuku nami hawu ngibona umsholozi lapha na uyaphuma esangweni uyojoga yabo ayinami ngiyatshena ukuthi hawu umsholozi usubanjwe yilonto ukuthi maqala unyaka
yes resolution
kube nalonto ukuthi hayi ake ngithi ukuthi ukuyivoca voca hayibo and ngiyakhumbula umsholozi impela ukuthi hayi shothi wayithe ukuthi kancane impela yabo ayingibona ukuthi hayi shothi umsholozi khona into azama ukuyela hayi ngithe ngithi ngiyabuka hayibo uMarch mfethu umsholozi ngempela usayibambile yabo June mfethu hayibo umsholozi akakhathali kulento yakhe ngithe ngiyabuka impela ayisungenela nama competitions umsholozi
yes
up to icomrade esobe sidingida kakhulu ngayo ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi maningi ama life lessons ezofisa ukuthi sithi kwacubungula you know but kukho konke mfethu once again ngikwamukele kuye show mfethu uzizwe unjani mfethu ngiyabona umhlaba esiphila kuwo kulezi insuku uyasiphoqa ukuthi sibe nethemba uNkulunkulu
yeah I know angibingelele qhaba mfowethu ngibingelele nababukeli bakho bonke siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu for this opportunity to be part of the show and also thank you for the invite but just
pleasure.
One thing that I would like to say which siyabonga kakhulu for such initiatives the contribute empilweni zabantu.
Sure.
I feel so much honored to be part of this program. We just pray to God ukuthi ayikhulise this may just be the beginning.
Oh wow.
Yeah, sicela nje usimcela uNkulunkulu asisize. Ayikhulise to because such program they should kumele kwazi ukuthi enze impact empilweni zabantu. Kumele kwazi ukuthi enze impact empilweni zabantu. So into enjalo ke hlala sicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi aqhubeke. Also with your books my brother that you are busy with and all the work. At the end of the day you are impacting impilo zabantu. You know it's we're reading your books. They are impacting empilweni zethu. Yeah, maybe that's all I can say for now.
Guys, siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga. Now, iqhawe lami la umsholozi mfethu. Yabo, yazi angazi mhlawumbe ngosale sengisho lento. Ngithi ukuyivoca voca nami kancane yabo nje ngenzela ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibe sesimene right na. But mase ngicabanga mfethu icomrade mfethu, you know. Sikhuluma ngabo ma 90 kilometers mfethu yabo. You know, siyayibuka lento ku TV and we think this is insane, mfethu, you know, why would you torture yourself kanjalo, you know? And ngiyabuka lana mfethu ukuthi khona nama medals othewa waphatha mfethu lana comrade yakho mfethu, you know.
Medals.
Mfethu, yo, you started and you finished mfethu, you know.
2.
And mfethu, if it went for COVID last year 2020 buzobusu ede yakho mfethu you know yesithathu and ngithe mfethu asithi kuyidingida lena msholozi ngoba yabona mfethu ngoba ukugijima mina mfethu njalo mangigijima ngijogela khona lana eroundini yabo ngiyangifunda izinto eziningi ngempilo mfethu yabo ngeke ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi amadolo aseyala mfethu yabo mhlawumbe bengithagethile ukuthi ngizoshaya isikhathi esithile uthi umzimba usuyagoloza manje lana but the ability not to listen to your body or have your mind wired up ukuthi yazi ukuthini ngizoyenza lento mhlambe nje before we get there mfethu just take me through mfethu your first day udecide ngalelo langa ngikubona uphuma mfethu ukuthi kwenzakalani mfethu you know first day nje uphuma ne reaction yomzimba because kwesinye isikhathi mina ngikhule ngidlala ibhola and ngiyakhumbula mhlazana ngitshe nokuthi ngizogijima nje kasekade ngagcina ukugijima but inqondo yami esathi hayi wena ukhule udlala ibhola uzungeze iground ugijima so ngathi nje ngiphuma ngaqedi ngisho u500 meters hayi ngezwe isifuba senzeke into mfethu ngathi hayibo yimi lo you know so please take us through mfethu so that so understand the build up yakho mfethu the first time you decide ukuthi yazokuthini I'm starting this thing now.
Okay. No, hey, you know, mfethu e-commerce marathon, firstly I would like to say it's one of those experiences that you'll never sell by even somebody wanted to give you R1 million.
Sure.
The experience of standing on the start line and then going to the finish line. It's something else.
Sure.
The journey itself from 5:30, depending on the time you finish until you finish. It's a journey and it's a life learning journey.
Sure.
Yeah. So mangiqala ke mangikhula nje mhlawumbe mangaqala kanjalo.
Yeah.
I always loved doing i-commerce marathon. Into engangiyithandile nje ngikhula. But unfortunately ngakhulela elokishini yabo. So uma elokishini makuthi yaqala ukujoga kunama kunezinto ezinegative
eshoyo.
Uzama ukwenzani?
Ngiyangizwa lapho lethi ngikhule ngakhona ukuthi awuzenza ingisa lona yabo usugqoke.
Yabo so ngesikhathi ngikhula I ended up gaining weight. At some point nga give up ukuthi comrade I will never do it ngoba ngumuntu othandayo to be challenged. I love getting myself stuck in things yabo ngizithole sengisentweni trying to ngizama ukuphuma kanjalo so ngaqala kanjalo ke ngagcina sengigaining weight lelo phupho lami I give up kulona. I told myself
Sure.
it will never happen. It will never happen. The best thing I can do ukuthi njalo mayidlala ngiyibuke TV.
Mfethu
ngiyibuke TV. So
you were like mfethu umuntu obefisa ukudlala ibhola oseyibona mhlawumbe engasenazi inyawo uhleli ku TV ebuka abanye abantu.
It's like a person mfethu owayenephupho yabo somebody wanted to be a doctor, a lawyer. At some point to get to a point where you say this thing will never happen. Not knowing ukuthi kusengenzeka. Yabo, not knowing ukuthi kusengenzeka.
Big what you're saying because abanye abantu mfethu just on that point abanye abantu bakwimkhakha abangayithandi ngoba mhlambe ngizokuthi sibonele wangena kwi-field ethile ngenxa yemali ngoba vese isimo sasibhede ekhaya manje usuyenzile imali obuyidinga but kusakhona lokho ukuthi mina nansi into engisayifisa mfethu yabo kodwa manje uthatha omunye mhlawumbe useko-40 usebona ungathi isikhathi sesambile mfethu yabo lento le so I think what you're saying mfethu I like it because ama-readers ethu azoyithola ngenye indlela lonto and ibalulekile impela you know.
Yes. So at some point I said this thing is not possible. It would never happen. Ngaze ngayikhohlwa until one day then ngaqala ngagaining i-weight ke at some point ngangenza 150.
Sure.
150 escalate.
Ayina ngiyakhumbula kubona ngelinye ilanga ukuthi hey makhelwane lana ungathi impela yini. Kade makhelwane 150.
Ngangenza 150 escalate. So until I got married ngeza ngahlala ngaphelini khona. So one day I remember wena qwabe into engenza ukuthi mangiqala nje ukuthi no I want to jog. Inhloso bengasiyona i-comrades.
Sure.
Mangiqala i-comrades bese ngikhohliwe.
Sihleli kwi-background le
bese ngikhohliwe. One day ngisespanini ngizama ukufasa ama-force yabo. Kathi ngizama ukufasa ama-force mangivuka ngize ngithi yabo it's because of weight. Ngezwa ngikhona yabo because of weight.
Sure.
So I realized with no I have to do something about this weight. So day one it was the beginning of the year. Yes, it was a New Year's resolution for me to say, let me. Comrades bengekho ngaleso sikhathi emqondweni.
Is that 2017 now?
That is 2017. Yeah, it's let me just run because I need to do something. Yo, day one, it was a weekend. I remember. Day one, 2017. Ngaphuma. So we whole believe ukuthi ngajika kuphi. Ngajika esitolo. Ngajika esitolo.
Isitolo angicabanga usiyahlanganisa u500.
It's 200 meters.
200 meters.
Yeah. Ngajika esitolo. Day one. day 1 wami ngalelo langa ngalala usuku lonke ngalala usuku lonke and my wife said well done did well and she's just been very supportive throughout the journey. Wangicoma wathi well done wangilethela amanzi ngijike esitolo 200 meters
mfethu
wangicoma ngilethela amanzi wangifaka amanzi okugeza I was
bathi usebenzile ubaba nanka amanzi lana
200 meters so I was like angiphinde ngiyenze lento
sure Msholozi yazi ukuthi icindezele kuleyonto because khona umuntu oqalayo njengamanje mfethu kodwa manje uthe eqala nje wabonana nezingqinamba ahlangana nezingqinamba and usekulowo mqondo ukuthi
first 200 meters kunama challenges engihlangabezane nawo kaza mama cells ebhlungu kwavaleka isifuba that is the reason ngingakwazanga ukuqhubeka but sisazophinde sikhulume nangalento engizoyisho manje ukuthi ngempela in the journey of life kunezinto ezingakuvimba manje kanti azikho permanent yabo when you might give up ngezinto ezingekho permanent
mfethu
yabo
season
when ufike kuleyo into ngesikhathi sesizini yayo yabo kunale into eyenzakala ngaleso sikhathi because ngajika esitolo to 200 meters
mfethu
but I was proud of myself as much as it's isifuba sasibhlungu ama muscles ayibhlungu yabo it was 200 meters but I said Monday ngiyavuka futhi ngaphinda ngenza 200 meters then after that ngathi ayothi ngikhuphule kancane ngamhojika phezulu I realized ukuthi it was a kilometer yabo then for a month I was doing a kilometer 1 kilometer 1 kilometer 1 kilometer until because bekunzima weight was there. So I met with other guys abagijimayo yabo so bahlale bengibona njalo ngigijima but you can come join us but ngisaba because ngibona ngathi ba fasting yabo so I bet you can come join us then I joined them washo ukuthi ke when you get with people baqala ke bakhuluma indaba ye comrade mina sengikhohle ukuthi one day I wanted to do this thing baqala ke bayikhuluma ukuthi hey nabo babengakaze bayigijima yabo but no thina nje basigijima ke la our intention ukuthi sigijime comrade marathon
mfethu imbe ufethu exashe somewhere mfethu
you know kathi mina oh yes I had a dream to do this thing yabo but ngaze ngibuza ukuthi how do I do it but no you train but just train then ngesikhathi ngijima ke I learned izinto eziningi ke along the way that was 2017 now ngo June 2017 yakigijima ke comrade marathon but mina ngangayigijima let's year I went ngihamba ngayibuka on the road ngahlala the whole thing ngiyibuka
inspiration
that is where I got inspired I look at people begijima lento le khona abantu babukayo ukuthi hey nalomuntu uphuma eThekwini yabona and you umbono ukuthi uphuma khona ngempela you see different types of people
yes mfethu
yabo khona obabonayo ukuthi no they still fit they still strong they still looking good and they going khona babonayo ukuthi they are struggling yabona leyo nto le but it's just that they want to reach their destination yabona leyo nto le because it is possible empilweni mfethu everything is possible after from leyo comrade marathon engihamba ngayibuka I get so much inspired I said next year I'm going to do this next year showcase next year I'm going to do this then ke ngaqala ke bese ngiqalile veze ngenza o 10 kilometers you won't believe ukuthi 10 kilometers oqala unkosikazi wami wangishiya nje gone because ayikwakunzima mina ngingakwazi ngibona ukuthi ngiyastruggleisha yena kunomzimba nomncane so mina weight was a problem so my first 42 kilometers ngathi ngifuna ukuyenza it was Mandela Marathon
ayisaba mfethu
I can tell
iMandela mfethu angase ngizwe istory engakekho noyedwa umuntu engengamuzwa ukuthi hayi iMandela ngayivithiza mfethu
no inzima
yabona lapha khona into abayishoyo lapha mfethu kuthiwa abantu bakhala inyembezi kuyona mfethu
it's tough it's very tough the funny part is that mangithi ngiyokwenza iMandela Marathon now sengazi abantu who have read ama comrades amaningi yabo the funny part is that one of the guys in fact most of the guys engangiyakubona yithi guys ngiready ukwenza 42 comrades marathon those people abona sebeyenzile benza nama comrades bang discourage no you're not ready for this you're not ready to do 42 eMandela
sure
yabo what I learned from there ukuthi wena if you are determined as a person yabo une determination ukuthi mina ngiyafuna ukuyenza lento ngesikhathi you might speak izinto kubantu kubanye abantu kuba ngathi you speaking in tongues because abayazi into ekuwena yabo into ofuna ukuachieve yabo
let's speak
yabo. So I went to people ngithi mina bafethi yazi I want to do iMandela Marathon 42 but I know Mandela is very tough so it's not for you yabo kunezinto esingakwazi sigcine singasitholanga because we've been told ukuthi it's not for us but then that was when one day ngavula iBhayibheli I saw a verse after being discouraged and being told ukuthi I know Mandela Marathon kahle even iComrade Marathon I was told ukuthi I have to train at least 3 years
sure
maximum at least before ngiyenze because bebebuka weight yami nani but I read the verse mfethu eBhayibhelini kuyasiza because siyakholwa I read the verse eBhayibhelini I think it's Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 othi I can do all things
through Christ
to strengthen me. That is a verse that I used on every race that I've entered. All the difficult race I've done almost one camera race in South Africa from that time until now.
You in a short space of time?
Yeah, I've done almost all the race. Ngafika nje kuleyo verse I realize ukuthi I can do it. I can do all things ngenza konke yabo as long as Christ is on my side.
Just on that Msholozi because ngifuna ukuthi ngayikhohlwa lento engifuna ukuyibuza la or engifuna ukuyikhuluma bese uthi ukunaba kuyo because iComrade nami ngiyayibukela ku TV you know sinakho ukuyibuka sibaningi you know khona lento enokwenzeka ukuthi umuntu umbuka umjaje you know umbuke nje umuntu uthi hayi lona usikhondla ke mhlawumbe anganginikeza inkinga ebese kuba khona umuntu ozothi umbuka usekhulile mhlawumbe mfethu ko 60 yabona umuntu umbuka mfethu uthi hayi lona ngeke mfethu ubekwa yini la yabo khona abantu mfethu ngibabone kwi finish line mfethu kulento kwiComrade mfethu umuntu uyambuka lo muntu uthi hayibo lo muntu mfethu usuke eThekwini noma usuke eMaritzburg umuntu uyambuka mfethu uzomele lo muntu mfethu yabo nje mfethu ngathi uzowa noma yinini mfethu kodwa lento ukuthi ube ne steady pace mfethu you know ukwazi ukuthi mfethu you know ukwazi mfethu ukuthi angizocompete no Gumede mfethu umzimba wami uyistructures kanjena you know so ngizokwazi ukuthi ngokumzimba wami ngizosebenza I'm gonna run in accordance to umzimba wami. The reason why ngisho leyo nto Msholozi uzokhumbula ukuthi ezikoleni khona abantu esasibazi njengeziqenqe sibaza ukuthi mfethu bayizidablana yabo yonke lento le so ugcine mfethu iphupho lakho usulisuppressa ngoba uthi hayi lento into yozuma lento mfethu yabo ozuma abahlakaniphile nothisha bayabazi la esikoleni but for somebody to say mfethu yebo ukhona uthisha kwangibiza ngesidomu ukhona uthisha wathi hayi le cause engikhethayo ingqondo yami ayikho aligned nayo so angeke ngikwazi ukuphumelela imath ngiyayifeyila so lento engifuna ukuba yiyona ngeke ngikwazi ukuba but the ability to say yebo labantu abangitshena lento mfethu bayifundele lento some of those people ababekutshena mhlawumbe they've been running iComrade for years and sebezokutshena umzimba wakho awukho kwisimene is right but for you mfethu ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uzizwe zonke lezi zinto but still ukwazi mfethu ukuthi uqhubeke uyenze lonto mfethu I would like you to share on that because masikhuluma nge-starting line kuma-Comrade you will see different types of shapes from different people but bonke mfethu they had to oppose them voices to be there and to run you know
you oppose voices from other people and also from yourself.
Yeah, that's a big one. That's a big one.
The minute they tell you ukuthi you can't do it the first person ingqondo yakho iyayibuyisa lento you think about it kodwa hlamba qinisile
nansoke indaba
yabo you look at yourself you look at your body
ubuka mama kakho makuthi sesikoleni
you look at your family you look at your background ubuka ekhaya lakho baqinisile ubuka isociety oqhamuka kuyo akekho udokotela wakwaphuma yabo akekho umuntu wakwenza ukuthi la yabo then the danger now is that you might believe those people yabo useselapho mfethu just going to your question.
Yeah.
So I just want to say two things that I learned with First Mandela. Masikhuphuka there's a hill to Impumuza.
Idumile.
I was running Impumuza very well. Now I have my goal. My goal was to run Mandela Marathon for 5 hours. That is my goal. So I was doing very well. Sikhuphuka Impumuza. Masiqeda nje. I met someone engamazi. Don't even know this person. Ataya sambe. And I joined this person. Within 6 kilometers ngashawa my cramps. Yabo. I asked myself, what did I do wrong? Yabo. Because I was running very well, very nice. Yonke behamba kahle. Isikhathi sami bese right. I realized ukuthi I joined someone on a vision engafani neyami.
Yo.
Yabo. Ngidecide ukuhamba nomuntu itarget yakhe mina ngiyokwenza u5 hours. Itarget kalo baba osetha sambe akumazi by the way. Sihlangana la emqaqweni. Itarget yakhe yokwenza for 4 hours 30 minutes. So therefore it means ukuthi ipace yakhe will be much higher than mine. Fitness yakhe is strong kunami. Now ngivele ngajoin umuntu engamazi uqhamukaphi, engamazi ukuthi utraine kuphi. Yabo utraine nobani, utraine kanjani. Uyabona lo ngavele ngamjoin. Within 2 kilometers ngashawa ama cramps. Why? I joined someone engahlangani naye. Yabo.
Just on that Msholozi mfethu angikhathi mfethu ukuthi I find that very interesting ukuthi lo muntu enanigejima naye akungoba mhlambe indawo nani yakuyihlukile.
It's going to the same
place.
Yes.
But you can go ngaba ukuthi niya ku same place but you tag along kubantu aba wrong and then ukuya kwakho kuleyo ndawo kugcina sekuaffecteka indawo efanayo. So kwesinye isikhathi singatheka along abangani bethu umuntu uyabuka mfethu vision and everything hayibo labantu ngoba benza into efanayo nami so let me just mingle with them. Can't you are mingling with the wrong crowd? Exactly. Yes, you are going to indawo efanayo kodwa akufanele uminglishe nabo because that ipace yakho na yonke into will be affected.
Exactly. Abanye qwaba uthola ukuthi nikhule ndawonye same age, same everything. Bayaphumelela uphumelela. Yabo. No can funa uphumelela. Everyone wants a house, get married and whatnot. Ubona bona bayaphumelela qala now. And you want to join them, not knowing ukuthi yini ama methods abawasebenzisayo to get there. La emqaqweni masikheje ma people abantu bakheje baphuza izinto ezingafani. Khona baphuza izinto ze energy nan. And mina I joined this person not even knowing ukuthi ayikho into ayisebenzisile. Yabo. The second thing in that race because ngifuna ukuyakule comrades. The second thing in that race Marshall Dlulile, I think we were Sasise Hilton. I saw a guy oyengagijima usemgaqweni uphethe ibhodlela laphi. Yabo. Uyasupporta shaya izandla uyaphuza istrong. So kubona bonke abantu ababegijima wakhomba mina uthi yabona lo ngingamshiya lo yabo ngingamshiya lo yabo
ubungaphakathi ebhodweni mfethu
mina ngingaphakathi yena ungaphandle. Now the biggest mistake engangayenza was to stop and say to him Moses born. Yabo because ngangamshiya showcase but now what if the biggest mistake ngangayenza ngaqhubeka ngahamba because I destination yami niyakha ayifani mfethu asiye endaweni yonke yabo so ngavele ngahamba but I asked what angazibuza ukuthi lento ngifundisana ukuthi you have to focus your journey. There are people eceleni who are saying lots of things khona bakubukela phansi but wena you can't do it. Khona abantu abasho everything about you. Continue, focus. Yabo the biggest mistake engangayenza was to argue with him. And say mina ngijima kade ngaqala ukujima ngaqala ngoJanuary ukujima mina ngiphuzile mina ngenza ukuthi ngaleso isikhathi siyahamba I'm not getting closer to my destination. Ngibhizi ngile and I'm arguing with this person. Yabona leyo nto le. I said to him I know I should fine ngahamba. Yabona leyo nto le. Yet if I said that ngeke azagijima azafikela and number 2 it was not his destination.
Yeah, just on that, Msholozi, because you know, Mina, you know, to be honest with you, I started learning a lot about ukugijima. Ngingathi ngiqala nami ngithi ukuphuma nje egcekeni ngiyojika lapha ngithi 10 kilometers mhlambe 15 20 ngibuye. Ilanga ngaqala khona ukubona impilo ngenye indlela. Bengihlezi ngithatha izibonelo ezimba ngempilo ngibuka ibhola, you know. Now, just on that point ukade uraise manje. Iyabantu abasuke besemaceleni, you know. Because I think that is very important. We cannot say close your ears, you know. Don't listen to those people, you know. You uzobezwa mfethu bathi. But now, what I want you to stitch a go khona mfethu just on that ukuthi wenze njani manje ukuthi abantu mabekhuluma ukwazi ukuthi ungayivali indlebe because uma uvala indlebe khona ne-inspiration khona nama-positive words nama-affirmations azokuphutha, you know. Wenze njani ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi okay lo muntu into ayikhulumayo angihambisani nayo futhi ayikho right, so ngizoyizwa impela ngithathe ngilahle lapha. But nangu mfethu engigqugquzela, you know, because uma ugijima emgwaqeni uhlangana nazo zonke lezi inhlobo lezi, you know. And right now mfethu khona umuntu i-challenge ngalonto Msholozi uthola ukuthi I've learned that ngempilo ukuthi kohlezi kukhona abantu abakusupportayo, kukhona abantu abalento le, khona abantu abazokujabulela uma ushaya igoli, khona abantu abazokubhuka futhi uma ungasalishaya igoli. Sometimes kuba abantu ababodwa, you find that the very same people who were cheering now they are against you. Wenze njani ukwazi ukuthatha inspiration bathi udla inyama ulahla amathambo, you know, especially in context yokugijima manje where ukwazi nje obadusha ukuthi ukwazi ukumlalela but ungayithathi into ayisho affect negatively, you know, uqhubeka ube positive about impilo.
It's running a complete marathon or running itself. I always say
sure,
it's your mindset. You need to be fit mentally,
sure,
and you need to be fit physically. But you need 70% of physical of mental fitness.
Sure.
Then 30% of physical fitness. You may be physical fit, but if you are not mentally fit,
sure,
you not run any race. Yabo ayiki race ungayigijima. So okubalekile as long as empilweni eqwabe your mind is there. Noma kuthiwa abantu bathini. You look at what they saying against what you want. And then you say zihlangana
izinto. Yeah, then strong ukusengqondweni mawukuthi you really want it.
Exactly. You look at the two and say this guy is saying ngangishiya. But this guy is not going to Howick. This guy is not running complete marathon. This guy is not going to Pietermaritzburg or Japan. Uyabo? Because you you might say, oh, let me just continue running just to prove a point. No, sometimes we might just say, just to prove to him.
Yeah.
Whether what I'm trying to say, you can take this thing. It's a negative thing, but use it positively.
Yes.
And say, let me just prove what and then do it according to your plan.
That's the thing. Because
ungapumi kwi-plan lakho wenze according to your plan.
Yes, that's so true. Because kukhona ukuthi ugcina usuyilimaza mhlawumbe let's say mhlawumbe khona umuntu obekuthatha kancane esikoleni, you know, usuvesana uyadecide ukuthi azothina ngeke ngisalala ke manje ngizofunda kakhulu, you know, uzothi ukufunda kakhulu kwakho sekuzokulimaza manje yabo lento le. Now another point Msholozi engithole interesting ukuthi lesi story athi usixoxela ngaso esensizwa ibikade iphethe ibhodlela likaBhiya ilapha eceleni. Now please tell us more on this story where we're starting line and somebody picks on you, you know, ukuthi hayi ubalo uzuma hayi lona ngizoqeda qala kunayo, you know.
I've ran a race where people abantu bengikhombe yabo athi umuntu yabo la yamshiya lo. Even from a team, because I'm in a team, Imarspec City running club. Even in a team, there are people that I'm sure we always compete, but in a good way. So I remember one day this guy, Uyangkhomba, angimazike for that mate. Uyangkhomba, uthi I'm sure. yabo
uqoka esixukwini
uvela uyangikhomba nje ukuthi hayi lo angamshiya ake sasigijima eMaritzburg City Marathon so sagijima mina ngase ngiphethe amateka ami sengiqedile kudala yena imanxe efika uyabona le nto le athi umngane wakhe ngikutshelile mfethu ukuthi ungabomkala umuntu njengamanzi ophuthu yabo so as I said Qwabe what I've learned la emgaqweni ekugijimeni even with the Comrade Marathon ukuthi you run your race you run your race I remember my first Comrade Marathon uNkulunkulu wangenzela umusa I ran with omunye ubaba uMdunge from the start to the finish. This is the word I hlale isho at run your race. At Zuma, you are running your race. To me, he was more like a Holy Spirit. He was guiding me endleleni. Yabo, I remember. So my first Comrade Marathon, it was a down run from Pietermaritzburg to Durban. It was something else. More milegulayini. It's a starting line. You like ingqondo yakho now start asking you questions. Kunempela engqondweni ukuthi am I going to do it? Why am I doing this? Do I really have to do this? If I don't do this, ubani ozongishaya? What is going to happen? If I finish, what is going to happen? If I don't finish, what is going to happen? So there's a lot. I remember it's a starting line. It's a very emotional place to be.
Yes, impela ukuthi in fact mase culwa national anthem, you know, something happens.
My first comrade nje ngakhala. My wish was that engazuthi ngosikelele Africa ungangaphela. Ngalo uculiwe.
Yeah.
Because now I'm not sure whether I want to do it or not. But because my mind, I said there's no turning back. So we ran with Ubaba Mdunge saze saqeda. I learned a lot from him.
Ubaba Mdunge mangaphosisi wayeke waqhumana no baba.
Yes, Ubaba Mdunge started running Comrade Marathon because ubaba wami ongizalayo. They both wanted to run Comrade Marathon.
Yeah.
So unfortunately Ubaba did not run. By God's grace mangena nje mangena nje la siqala khona. I met him. Not that we had planned. Yabo, so I realized ukuthi futhi kufezeka leli cebo lokuthi bobabili they wanted to run yabo together. So mangena nje and wayethunyelwe uNkulunkulu ngempela because I learned a lot. I saw him as more I saw him as a guardian, you know, like malithi Bible as uJesu uzofika umoya ongcwele. He will give you guidance. He guided me all the way. It was my first Comrade Marathon.
Just on that, Sholozi, because is it the same ubaba or wayethi run your race?
It's the same.
Now ngizofuna manje singene ku starting lineup now. Ku starting line, I mean, from Pietermaritzburg to Durban. But before we go there, indawo engakhulela kuyo mina mfethu ngabona abantu abaningi bethola ingane bengathandi i-peer pressure, you know, yokuthi hayi bo usukhulile ndoda awunangane kwenzakalani, ingabe konke kuyafanishina kuwena, yabo lento le, noma mhlambe kwenzakalani udlalela elinye iqembu yini, yabo yonke lento le. So zonke lezo zinto mfethu kwababhlungu kumina because ngakhula nami nginakho ukuzizwa lezo zinto lezo sikhulunywa you know zibheke kumina zibheke nakwabanye, and ngabona abantu abaningi beyield kuleyo temptation. They ended up beba nengane nje, beba nengane enqwaba abantu, you know, hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikhuluma kabi ngabo, but ingoba sisasiza abanye la ukuthi nanga umuntu unephupho mfethu, but this thing ukuthi run your race mfethu, how you know, how do you run your race mfethu esixukwini lapho mfethu, you know, kubo ngazothi wonke umuntu yakushiya mfethu, you know, usagijima wena lana khona umuntu oseshawela izandla phambili useqedile wena usalana. How do you focus on that? Because khona enye into engifundile le yamabhasi engicabanga ukuthi usazokuthi ukusifaka kuyo lamabhasi eComrade, but on running your race mfethu ukuthi ungathi isikhathi sebeyangishiya manje bonke ontanga yami manje sebeshadile bashadelwe banezingane, you know, bathenga imizi, yonke lento. How do I take inspiration but ngingayithwesi umthwalo emahlombe ami ngiqhubeke ngithi plan enginayo i-race yami le ngoba khona ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uthi hayi izinto ngifuna ukuthi mase ngina date ngibe sengikwenze konke mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi kwenze kwesinye isikhathi ngenzeki. How do you adjust izinto and not lose a dream ne race?
Contents umuntu something engangayazi Jimmy, so powerful. So we ran with him, you know, at 15 kilometers. 15, first 50, I feel like let's walk. I was like, no, I'm gonna cut that. Yeah, give me challenge. I know I'm doing. I'm gonna cut that. No, la, you don't walk.
Yo.
It's very important to walk. Yeah,
umzimba lapho uyancinza uthi gijima.
Mina ngifuna ukugijima. I asked him why. Athi, you need energy. You're still going to face challenges. So you need to save your energy now. You need to save yourself now. And I learned ngoba what you usually do siyagijima sifune ukuwalka ngoba sesikhathele. Yabo. Lapho siwalka kancane yabo sawalke.
Yeah.
But yena what you walk now.
Usane
energy.
You build up more.
Yeah, you're holding your energy. So to answer your question about generations abantu abathola abantwana njengobusho esinye isikhathi empilweni ngayibuka lento ngathi yathi lento eshoba umdongo. Sometimes you need to take a step back. Yabo. And look at yourself, look at your life, and look at what you want to achieve. Yabo.
Sure.
Abantu basho yonke into abafuna ukisho, but you take a step back.
Ngenkathi ngiwalk abantu bayadlula. You know. You feel like I'm missing out. You know?
It was my first comrade, and that was my worry. I'm still worried about abantu abadlulayo. What let's walk. And abantu ababesibuka ukuthi awulabantu sebeyawalk kanjalo. Remember we are going to 90 kilometers, sika 15. This is here in Linfield.
Ukhehla kwenqama madoda.
Yabo, ikhokha manje. Yabo. Now ngibuka abantu bayahamba. Mina I'm worried ukuthi awuloba umuntu ngowayesethi manje let's walk. About people abantu bayahamba. Let's walk 30 meters. 1 2 3 4. Just that walk. You will be amazed with that walk what will do for you. So I'm saying a person you'll be amazed just to take a step back and look at yourself. Look at yourself at the mirror as a person. Look at your family. Look at what you want to achieve. Look at what you want to do. And look at the life that you are living and say, does this life can it take me to the destination?
Sure.
The biggest mistake in fact I doubt maybe because it taught me a long things. Isn't it? I mean, sometimes you will just say let's walk. So you know everyone wants to run.
Yeah.
Because that's let's walk. Sometimes you angitshengisa abantu athi mbolo njobe edlula minyaka hamba athi minyaka hamba yabo uzothola ukuthi athi in 10 case that guy sobe simfika sizohamba simiyeke umuntu ahambe ngize sengimkhohliwe after 10 kilometers sihlangane naye uthola ukuthi umuntu yambona usiyaqhuka akasakwazi ukuhamba kahle ithi athi bomdunge yambo. You remember what I said to you? Ngimthe umiyeka hambe. Yabo. I remember there's a guy from Tepene ngahlangana naye eMasinyuki Ashbatini. Athi Zuma Sam. Ithi mina hayi no ngiright ngihamba nobamuntu. Yabo. I could have made a mistake again. Ngihambe naye ngishiya ubaba umdunge. And this guy was going to guide me all the way until I reach my destination. So why ngifunda izinto eziningi endleleni athi hayi no relax. Sometimes mayibona ukuthi ke sengifuna ukumshiya athi ufuna ukuhamba hamba wakwasho njalo no Jesu bafuni bakhe ko Patriots Peter nani senifuna ukungishiya wathi ngoba laba nani nifuna isinkwa something like that, but what man ufuna ukuhamba nani ngahamba yayibona le nto le, but uthi Petro ke Nkosi masisuka kuwe singaya ngoba amazi okuphila kuwe yabona le nto le. So this guy wangithwala all the way ngumuntu ke ohlushwa ama cramps, but in that complex marathon ngizange ngibe nama cramps. all the
Ibalance le.
Ibalance because
And-
it was able to help me.
And mfethu lento ishoyo ngibuka lento yokwazi ukublenda mfethu ngoba kwesinye isikhathi into esilimazayo ile energy esinayo ngokuba basha sisebancane. But masikwazi ukuyiblenda nabantu asebekhulile mfethu abane wisdom,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
sikwazi ukuhlanganisa ilento umzimba osene energy nomuntu osemdala but unengqondo ekhaliphile. Sikwazi ukuhlanganisa kokubili lokho khona sokwazi ukuthi siye phambili ngempilo. Ngicabanga ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu lokho mfethu and no kuyakwazi ukuthi kusenze impela siye phambili. Na mfethu enye into ke ebengifisa ukuthi mhlawumbe sithi ukuyibuka kancane la ile portion mfethu where you find ukuthi umzimba wakho mfethu usufike la ngempela usukutshena khona ukuthi yazi ukuthini, this is it now.
Yes.
Like ithawula la mfethu, you know. Ngikhumbula ke lekilanga akazi uma but angeke sixoxe le story ngoba angisideclaranga kahle, angishonge ekhaya ukuthi ngizoke ngisikhulume. But kuyenzeka ke sengixoxa ngelinye ilanga nomunye esasigibele eBhanoi naye for the first time, you know. So siya eGoli sigibele King Shaka, you know. So sigibele ebusuku liliyana bo, so uyazi ama turbulences and stuff, you know. So ngelinye ilanga sesikhuluma lento lena siyangitshena ke lo muntu uthi yazi phela ngalela langa nga act as if everything was fine, but ngenkathi eBhanoi lo delete ngase ngisho ukuthi kada bengiyapi, you know. Why bengiyapi nje, why ngihambe ngibela amaBhanoi, you know. So after, you know, lento it took me back ukuthi, you know, you keep you know, finding yourself in that space where uzoba nalokho ukuthi why, you know,
doing this?
why am I torturing myself,
Exactly.
you know.
Exactly.
Why ngizoze ngife, you know. Nginakho konke ngikudingayo ekhaya, ngina umsebenzi, lento ngigijimelayo futhi I'm just running nje futhi, you know. And all those reasons mfethu uzofuna ukuthi, you know, abanye abantu mfethu they will relate to that ukuthi ekseni mase kufana uvuke ekhali alarm, you know. Umzimba usuthi hayibo. Uvukelani ngalesikhathi? Ingubo isamnandi, you know. At more 15 minutes, at more 10 minutes, you know. Now umurana mfethu umzimba from ubhozo kuze kube sekhanda yonke into ekhatheli yankenketha isiyakutshena ukuthi yazi ukuthini wenzani, you know. Buka abantu abamile lana, now you could be standing there, your body ungabe right, you know, but you are here.
No, you are saying something so powerful. Ebese ngikhohliwe. Discipline. The discipline. Enye izinto ezibalekile if you are going to run complete marathon.
Yeah.
If you are saying you are training at 4, you are training at 4. If you are saying you are doing 10 kilometers, you don't do 9. You don't do 11. You don't do 8. You do 10. Yeah, but that day, if that is the program that you are doing, you do that. Kuzok affect up. I would come to the question as where you want to give up on the road. If I've realized if you try to give up, you give up on my race. If you try to give up on my training,
sure.
What you do,
lezinto ezincane uzenza mhlambe uzenza ushayela wena wedwa in your closet noma
mhlambe uthi namhlanje I'm going to do 5, you end up doing 3. Yabo. Once you figure ku race, mawuzwa nje ukuthi hayi akusavuma uvela uphume.
Usujwayele lento.
Because ujwayele, you've taught yourself. That is life. Yeah, in life injalo qwabe. Sizifundisa lezi zinto empilweni njalo kwenzeka into encane, I'm leaving my house, ngiyamshiya lo nkosikazi, I'm giving up njalo yabo you give up so easily. Yabo, you are mentioning something very important. You give up so easily
because nalapho uthi vese ngi right, I can live my life without this person. Why kufana
yabona le umuntu o give up ayo aka give up. Say you give up on your marriage. I'll give up on the day when you give up. What give up akudala? It's not on the day when you are giving up with the loud gonna namhlanje you give up. No. You've been lento kade yaqala engqondweni yakho ukhuluma yabo yazi yangena that ngalelo langa kusuke kuyi final day.
Sure.
Yabo usu conclude into kade wayenza yabo. So it's all about discipline. But kunale party le othi ke where you say, but why am I doing this? again ngifisa uku-emphasize lento, once your mind mfethu, your mind is isentweni and you want to achieve goal yakho, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. I can tell you as isiqalile ukuthi ngaqala nginjani, uyazi weight yami, and mangiqala ngigijima comrade yami yokuqala, okay angisho lento le, maybe it might inspire abanye abantu. Mangiqala ngenze i-training ku January 2017, I was 150. But i-comrade yami yokuqala ngo 2018 June kangenza 70.
150
from 150 to 70.
So that's 80 you lost, if I'm not mistaken. 150 to 70.
Yeah, it took training.
Sure, definitely it's 80. Yeah.
It took training. So
then we're talking unyaka no half.
Yes, unyaka no half.
Sure.
Unyaka no half. It was lots of training.
From 150 to 70.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, in fact, ngisaba ukisho laqabela into leyo ngoba ngibona abantu mhlawumbe ukuthi ngeke bazibakholwe.
No. Mina phela njengomuntu olapho umakhelwane bengihleze ngibuka impela, ngiyakhumbula impela i first time ngibona uphuma njengoba ngilokho ngisho.
Yabo nje namanje I've gained weight because of lockdown I've started training today. We look at me in what target maximum. End of February, then you see something different.
Sure.
Because I know how to discipline myself when it comes to training. But when so now that is how I started. But on the road, I remember my second comrade marathon. It was a up run. So up run is tough. And I also wanted to emphasize these two things. It's your mindset. If your mind is there, you can achieve anything if you want to do it. If your mind is there, nothing will stop you. Comrade marathon, when you run a comrade marathon, with your physical, with your feet, you only run 60 kilometers. The next 30 kilometers is here.
Sure.
Inyawo zakho can only run with you only 60. After 60 kilometers, it's here. Ngoba even with training yet, especially thina ke esingawona ama elite runners, laba abagijimela ukuwina and all that. Thina singama social runners. I-training yethu, you only train for about 8 months, but you don't do beyond 60. So we comrade marathon, the minute you do 61, so wenza into ongakazi uyenza. Yabo. So sekusengqondweni yakho ukuthi ke you going to do it. But I remember since the up run, ngavele very unfortunate at 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers we were going to 90. 30 kilometers ngashawa my
first aid.
Mangixoxa abantu baye bathi last aid, ngithi mina no, first aid.
60 to go.
60 to go. Ngashawa my cramps. It was painful in my life. I've never in my entire life. I wanted operation. It was not as painful. I've never had so much pain in my life. You want to sit down, but you know you don't have to, can't sit down. You want to stop, but your mind telling you can't stop. Your mind says to you, it's either you run or you walk, because your destination is waiting for you. So it was my mind. So ngashawa ama cramps was angqala ngaka left, and then I thought I can still do it, it's fine, it's one leg. Ngawaza sengishaya ngaka right, both sides now. Kanye because if ekshaya on the one side, at least you can balance ngale unyawo uqhubeke. But Mike Shire both sides usebenzisa le balance. That's when I think I got 35 Ks with this guy Wang Shia, what say my brother, all the best to Hambe.
Not Umdunga, Ubaba Umdunga, the other guy.
The other guy, this was another race now. The second combat marathon coming up. Wang Shia, we had planned with Sisizo Hambanda Wang. So Wang Tep and get the back. What? All the best, my brother Begazele. People will leave you in the lane when things get tough. People will leave you.
Yes, just on that, mfethu, sorry ukukhathi ukuthi ngifuna sisilode silento ngi because ushaya into powerful kakhulu. Sake sahamba saya kwenye I outing siku student ministry, you know. masifika lapha kudlalwa ama competition ehlathini yabo lezi zinto zama outings la ko Forest Lake yabo hayi masifika lapha kube khona i-competition manje sama group yabo mase group sesiyabona finish line la hayi besane sihlukaneke manje sesijaha finish line yabo hayi mase sifike finish line siwineke sitsho ukuthi siwinile thina bese sithi lo muntu obeorganize ukuthi I know you guys anwinanga because you didn't finish as a group, you know. Abantu abawinile, you know. Bekufana mhlawumbe ungenani nimthwale no oselimele noma osekhathele. Ni finish nonke collectively, you know. And let of it taught me something mfethu ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi masubona i-finish line uba tickled ukuthi you know
I've reached my goal.
Yes, you know. So I think the thing I find it very profound ukuthi untanga yathi mesibona ukuthi as much as nanivumelene but kuthe mase kufika kuyena ukuthi hayi abesana da indoda ngizobona, you know,
without negotiating.
Sure.
Well, I thought maybe I should have been the one said indoda ngoba kumina ngizima ngahamba but why ibonela yena. Well, people who leave you, people you trust, abantu abathembile, the people that you thought khona basho ukuthi hayi so for now. But ngempela when times get tough bakusho. Yeah, so ahamba this guy at 38 I think umzimba wami walake. My body said no, you can't do this anymore. Cabanga uka 38 uyofika nini ko 40 42 going on. Umzimba said no, you can't do it anymore. Now it's going back to what I said. Ukuthi i-combat marathon you need 70% mental fitness and then physical fitness is only 30% because there. And
you are telling us that because that's a depiction of life.
Exactly.
Life from it,
exactly.
You know.
Exactly.
The ratios ningayona face. I think it's the same with Ilendo, you know.
Yeah. So I told the phone yam because I was going petty phone yam. I wanted to call my wife. Ngimtshela ukuthi baby, I'm sorry but no.
Sikufikela ngikhathala lakho.
Right. In fact, if you check nokuthi ungalapho so that she's going to pick me up.
Sukwenze konke kusemandleni.
Yeah. Ngavuma. But now remember I've been training for this. Training nayo iyakwazi ukudevelop ingqondo yakho yabo ikwenza ube strong engqondweni because the challenges that you face with training uyakwazi ukuthi noma usufika lapha ya uwazi ukuthi udila kanjani nama challenges noma usufika kuyona race qo. So ngivele ngigive up ngimfonela unkosikazi ifoni yami vele ingasebenzi for some reason yabo ivele ingasebenzi for some reason angithi I know ukuthi ngiqhubeke because besixoxile ukuthi cishe sohlangana laphi. I think sasohlangana Hillcrest our first stop ngimbone first from far mangehla nje Hillcrest ngimbone I was so happy ngithi now nkosikazi
so we finish line yakho
I'm done you know the way to celebrate ngayo ungibona mina ngijabulela ukumbona ngijabulela ukuthi ngiyaphuma yena ujabulela ukungibona ujabulela ukuthi ngisekhona
mfowethu
yabo
madoda
the way I celebrate ngayo wayenosisi wakhe and the other guys but well done Teddy push well done babuyisa amandla kumina mfethu yabo now ngangazi ukuthi ngizosho kanjani sebesho kanje ukuthi guys no I'm giving up yabo my induce kuse early vele yabo ngavele ngangazi ukuthi ngizosho kanjani ukuthi no guys ngendlela abangicherisha ngayo yabo lona ngavele ngangazi but well done push but bethi mina bathi use right ngavele ngathi ngi right because of the encouragement that so it's kuyiqiniso ukuthi as much as bekhona abantu who might pull us back but there are people bakhona futhi nabantu
mfowethu
yabo as much as bekhona abantu abangasidonsele emuva but bakhona abantu abangasikwazi ukuthi basinikeze support and go forward.
And sometimes we want abantu ukuthi basympathize kubongazuthi sesilahliwe and you find ukuthi uNkulunkulu mfethu namba abantu yabanikeza ukuthi hayibo namba abantu bezokubalethile bezokucherisha you know. Your first comrade mfethu you think you are running alone then God sends somebody ukuthi you know encourage this guy and give him strategies along the way you know. So then you meet your family, then you meet your wife, and then it changes.
It changes. As much as Amatrams was still there.
Yes, that's the thing. It's not the absence of pain.
The pain is still there. But
the
cheering and yavuselela. Ukuthi kambe what I want to do this. Why do I want to do this? Kwakhona into eshoyo ukuthi there's a lady, because after I saw my wife ngaqala uphenika, because kunamabhasi Kitchibeni amabhasi it's people who are running in groups. It's people who are running in groups. So basuke bene target sonke isikhathi ukuthi khona ibhasi laka 9 hours ukuthi abantu abazofika ku finish line ngo 9 hours kanjalo. So mina ngangihamba phambi kwabantu baka 9 ngangihamba phambi kwabantu baka 9:30 9 hours 30 minutes bangidlula because of Amatrams ngadlula abaka sub 10 hours langidlula lelo bhasi elaka 10:30 langidlula elaka 11 langidlula. The last one elangidlula it was 11:30. Khona sisi engithi bangihlangana engathi ngihlangana naye after comrades ngokwakhe ngendlela ayengibona naye wayegijima indlela ayengibona ngikuyipheni ngayo. First day ngimbona after ngigijimile she was convinced ukuthi la ixoxela khona abantu, she was convinced ukuthi ngiyangiqede ukuthi mayixoxela abantu uthi hayi usikhoda wagcina wenze njani wabathola nabantu abazokulanda. Ithi hayi usho ukuthi ku finish uthi hayi lapha le ku interest ngithi mina hayi ngaqeda mina.
Sure.
What waqeda? It's yes, I finished my comrades. Uthi kanjani? I told her ukuthi it was not comrades, it's not about a physical fitness. Physically I was finished, but mentally I was strong.
That's 70% of it pulled you through.
Yeah. Yo, the way it was so tough, I pushed. I learned something about life. As long as you want to do something, you will do it. I pushed. It was painful. I've never had so much pain in my life. I remember masqeda inchanga phezulu, because so I problem yami enkulu bekuthi ngalelo langa ama-cramps makade ngenza iheel, so mangiqeda iheel kuzoba nzima ukuwalka yabo, kuzoba nzima kwakugijima nje yabo, because kade senza iheel, so ama-cramps azobuya ngamandla yabo. So this guy saw me ngidabuzela nje ngizama ukuhamba yabo. So this guy now uyagijima, he asked me what's wrong mfethu, kwenzakalani? And abantu kuba yaqhuqhuzelana. I think that is why it's comrade marathon, because there's comradeship there. There's comradeship, people they stand with you and all that. So this guy says to me, yindaba besikwenze njani? Uthi mina no, bese shama trends angimazi
uNkulunkulu yabona lento kaNkulunkulu mfethu ukuletha abantu mfethu. You know mfethu, it's quite amazing mfethu. You know, it's one thing kusizwa umuntu mfethu onjwayelene nawo, of which it's still beautiful, you know. But for a stranger mfethu, umuntu ongamazi mhlawumbe nizobonana lapho nihlukane, and there's no benefit again ukuthi, you know,
mark in your life.
Yes,
and the person will leave him.
Sikhuluma ngaye njengamanje.
Akazi yena.
Yeah. So but wherever he is, I trust mfethu well during this time, and uNkulunkulu akubusise nomndeni wakho mfethu, uqhubeke. Mhlawumbe unganakile ukuthi lento uzoyikhuluma kumfethu izom-impacta kanjani, but we thank God for that, you know.
In fact mangathiwa ngimkhombe yabo. Athi mina what's wrong? Ngithi mina engishaya ama-cramps. Athi ilalela mfethu, kwenza kumina and stop running. And he came to me and say ilalela ama-cramps mfethu, they think they're better than anyone mfethu, awekho ngcono ama-cramps mfethu, just run them off kanje. I was like, what does this guy mean? What just run? They bakhona noma awekho, just run them off. Yo, again another person came to my life, and then he lifted my spirits yabo. I started running with them. Ekhona yabo, I ran with pain. It was painful. Let's just say somebody has lost a loved one during COVID. It is painful, but don't stop running.
Yeah.
Run with that pain. You need to run with that pain. Umuntu might not get a degree this year, but don't stop running. Continue running.
Thank you so much for your time. I think this was you know, God, I thank God for it, you know, your content, you know, because ever since we started the EAA show, it's been a concept from way back. But I was just struggling to have it take off, you know. But the day I started getting abantu to be part of the show, you know, and the content of it, responses, it's quite amazing, you know. And we're talking about the comrade, in fact, you know, but life lessons, in fact, that we have shared. I strongly believe, in fact, they will touch and impact abantu ababukelayo. I'm just going to share one story then ngizothanda ukuzwa your closing remarks, you know. Ngiqala ukusebenza khona lento leyo inokwenzeka kudala umuntu esafika emsebenzini lento ama-emails and ama-motivations mhlawumbe ngoba sasingakabi nabo WhatsApp no Facebook yabo, so uFacebook awusakhona usuve sukhona, but yeah lento ama-motivations. So khona mfethu I think somebody was driving in a storm, you know, and then it got so bad in the storm, you know. Big cars in fact to like, you know, and even a truck in fact they were pulling aside, you know, you know, and so angazi lona noma wayehamba nomkhulu emotweni, you know, behamba ngemoto encane, and umkhulu kept on saying, you know, drive. Sayebo in the storm nazi imoto ezinkulu ziyama athi drive. Ukudrive kwakhe kwamenza ukuthi badlule kwi-storm. Mase bebuka back babuka ukuthi, you know, lesi storm kwakunamafu nje ayemile kuleyo ndawo, so kwakuvesana kushaya istorm khona, but ukudrive through it helped them ukuthi babe on the other side, you know. So there's quite a lot that is happening right now, and I think that video is very appropriate now, looking at what is happening in our lives. We are losing abantu asibathanda, and the painful thing about losing a loved one, what I've seen and observed, ilent stagnancy, you know. Firstly, you just feel like your whole world has come to an end, you know. You feel like, in fact, this is it. I don't have reason to pay, you know. But the ability to run, through the pain, and walk, and then you reach a destination, you know. That, in fact, I think for me is a highlight. Another thing, young challenge. And which also makes me respect Ronaldo eboleni, because I know ibhola lidivideke kabili abantu abaningi, uMessi no Ronaldo. Mina ngiyuke camp ka Messi mfethu yabona, but I must say mfethu Ronaldo, I've learned to respect him, you know, because abantu abaningi bayakuvuma ukuthi akanalo ikhono, you know, uma ukhuluma ngekhono lokuzalwa compared to Messi, you know, but akanalo ikhono, but ukusebenza kwakhe mfethu nokuyikhandla, you know, kumthatha kwambeka la ekhona. Lento ngikhumbuza mfethu my closing point, ngikhumbuza into yasho Will Smith, uthi Will Smith, I don't care ukuthi educated kangakanani, I don't care ukuthi talented kangakanani, but all I know ukuthi masithathwa mina nawe sifaka kwi treadmill, I'll be the last man standing, you know. I'll be the last man standing. I think the reason why he said that was because he understood one thing, ukuthi if I can learn to pay pain, whatever that I want, in fact, it's on the other side of pain, you know. That's me, Ngoqa Akawelam. I would like to hear your closing remarks, and then Fetus Ngoqa, you know.
One guy said to me while we were running, I can't remember the race, I think it was 52 kilometers, the Bergville Marathon, from Bergville to Ladysmith, 56 kilometers, very tough race. So we ran in as a team, so we have different people playing different roles. Kona also told to Kichimanga just checking other guys who's rights and all that. So I tell this guy, I said, my brother, I'm in pain, I have cramps. So I want to pull off from the team. He said, why? It's because I have cramps. That's why I want to pull off from the team. It's because I have cramps, you know, I'm in pain. No. You cannot pull out from the team because you are in pain. What is so njengoba we are in pain, yabo, but kuya ngokuthi wena uhandlisha kanjani pain yakho. All of us we are in pain. What yabo njengoba ukhala ngama-cramps, khona okhala nge-muscle pain, khona okhala nge-chest pain, khona okhala ngekhanda, khona okhala ngani, sonke akekho umuntu ozothi njengoba ngigijima la mina kumnandi, yabo, sonke we are in pain. So I ran from 30 kilometers until we reached 90 k's in pain. It was painful. As I tell you, I've never ever had so much pain in my life. Ever. Until I finish. So it took me back to life, to the real life. Whatever you believe you can do it, you can do it. It's all about you believing, no matter how painful it is, no matter what people say.
Sure.
As long as your mind says you can do it,
Yeah.
as long as your mind commits to that thing, and you know this thing can be done. Definitely sure it can happen. Definitely sure. No matter how painful it is, as we are talking about this guy who had to drive through the storm. Yeah, well, it was not. You can just say they were driving. They were not cruising. There was a storm there. Yeah, but it was painful. Yeah, well, so most of the people in Vala who have achieved things, I doubt you'll find someone who will say, "I achieved my goals because it was nice."
Sure.
I doubt.
Pain and suffering, tears.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I tried. Ngakhala. I think sasise Nchanga. Khona Nchanga la masofika ngaseCatholic, sector samagaraji la. I think it's total, if I'm not making a mistake. Ngakhala, because I'm asking myself, why am I doing this? Yeah, but it was painful. It was painful. Why am I doing this? But my man said you can do it. My man said you can do it. No matter what, I can do it. So it is possible, before it's life is possible, goals are possible.
Yeah.
Last thing here, Sengvali Lokushutsa, before it's COVID is real.
Yeah.
Let's take care of ourselves.
Sure.
But let's continue believing. We will achieve.
Yeah.
Thanks, God.
Khawulam. Mfethu siyambonga uNkulunkulu mfethu, and
siyambonga uNkulunkulu.
Mhlawumbe mina ngizokusho kokugcina. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuningi sekushilo, bengingasafisi ukusho lutho ngoba sesikushilo kuningi. But enye into engicabanga ukuthi ipressa kakhulu enhlizweni yami njengamanje engifisa ukisho sesivala. Ileyo ukuthi ngicela sinake bafethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhleze baletha abantu abazos uplifta, basithathe basisize basise kule destination esuke siya kuyo, you know. Kwesinye isikhathi siba caught up kulento ukuthi hey mina nginama haters ina yonke. Bakhona labo bantu but singabakhohlwa laba mfethu abakucherishayo, you know. So empilweni umubuka nje story ade sisixoxa izinto eziningi mfethu uNkulunkulu eletha abantu mfethu. Kwesinye isikhathi uzobuka ecubongo lento eshow umsholozi lana ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ubonga ngathi uNkulunkulu uyayiphinda phinda yabo. Ngoba uNkulunkulu osikhathalele uyayiphinda phinda ukuthi yonke into ngisho kuthiwa khona imessage uNkulunkulu epowerful akutshena yona yak excite wayireceive uma usuyikhohliwe ngelinye ilanga uzoyiletha. Uma uzobuka nje iqhawe lana khona into enzeka ukuthi kube khona umuntu osama cramps ayadelela, you know. Ngelinye ilanga umunye futhi uzomtshena ukuthi hayi sonke we are feeling pain, you know. So you'll always have these people mfethu saying one thing over and over and over again, but it's for us mfethu to be able to listen, you know. Ipain esikhuluma ngayo ihlukahlukene, khona ipain yema families ukuthi mhlambe nama challenges kuma families, isemshadweni, isemsebenzini, omakhelwane, yonke into mfethu ongayicabanga. Mhlawumbe umunye uhlushwa izingane zakho they are turning out bad, you know. Kubo ngathi wena mhlawumbe uyikhulisanga ngendlela eright, but lama principles esikhuluma ngawo ahlanganisa ipain, you know. Izolo besibuka imovie nompilo Even Almighty, you know. Beautiful movie. I-character lapha edlala indawo kaNkulunkulu ikhuluma nomunye umama ethi lo mama uya give up manje kumshado wakhe ngoba khona izinto ezenzakalayo. Isithi lele nsizwe edlala i-character kaNkulunkulu, ucabanga ukuthi wena uma ukhulekela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusize ukuthi ifamily yakhe ibe united, ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzovesana iqhume ifamily yakhe ibe united noma uzoletha izinto ezokwenza ukuthi ifamily ibe united? Uma mfethu ukhulekela ukuthi ukhuphuke iposition emsebenzini, ucathi uNkulunkulu uzovesana kuthatha noma uzoletha ama opportunities azokwenza ukuthi lawo ama opportunities ngaba ukuthi kube umsebenzi omningi mfethu kunalo ujwayele uzokwenza ukuthi kube ngathi ya drown. That is your opportunity to rise, you know. Lezi ngqinambe efikayo, they are ushering us to where we need to be. So kukho konke bengingakusho ngingazi noma ukhona iphuzu lokugcina ubusafuna ukulisho. But one. No, that's
since we are talking about Comrade Marathon, everyone ophilayo can run Comrade Marathon.
Sure. That's big.
Everyone must run Comrade Marathon at least once in a lifetime. Maybe not kuphela.
I njalo masivela mama ngiconclude ngiyangithanda ukusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthando, God is love.
Oh, yes.
That part for me stands out. And I think it's always appropriate, but it's more appropriate now where there's quite a lot happening, not only in South Africa, but umhlaba wonke. God is love.
Oh yes.
Sizobonana ngokuzayo. Niqhubeke nibuke iYeye show. Ngicela nilike ivideo, nisubscribe and ni share nabangani and please tag abangani benu as well. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thanks.